Hello, in today's video, we're going to be reviewing how to duplicate an order in the My Orders tab. As you see, I am logged into a brand's page and I'm starting directly in the products page. As we've reviewed in previous videos, you can enter a brand through the community, through their branded landing page, but I have skipped that step and I'm starting directly in the products page. And as a reminder, I am logged in as a buyer and I'm going to click the My Orders tab. So I have a few orders that I have placed or my rep has placed for me, and I am going to duplicate it. So I'm going to take this order right here and I can copy it. So the first thing I do is just click copy. And as you see, it immediately copied everything in that order. So what I can do is I can just validate and process and it will immediately go through without any edits. So for this one, I'm just going to say validate and process. And it has been placed. So from here, I can print my order confirmation, I can download the images, I can copy the order again or start a new order. But for today, I'm going to go back into the My Orders tab, and you see that the order I placed, the assortment order, I copied it right now. But now I'm going to show you another example. So I'm going to go into RepSpark number 6928, and I'm going to, again, copy it. And there we go. So now I have the copy. So if you look, 6928, the PO was fall, and now the PO is fall again too. The name is just copy fall. So what I'm going to do is open this. So I'm going to go into the cart view. And we see the entire order I have placed right here is exactly copied. But let's say I want to change the PO. I can go to enter order details, and I can just say fall refill order and save. So now the PO will be updated, and I can also continue shopping. I can add more products. So it's just an easy tool for you to make your life a little bit easier. It looks like this one is now out of stock. Let's make sure everything is in stock so we don't have to split any orders. And again, we can just go ahead and place the order. I'm going to check out, process order. And as usual, I can print my order confirmation. I can download images, or I can just go straight back into the products page, keep shopping, into the community, or into the My Orders tab. So let's just take a quick look before we conclude into the My Orders tabs. I have this is a duplicate. I did adjust the PO and everything has been submitted. So please let us know if you have any questions about copying orders or anything else that has to do with placing an order within RepSpark.